Okay, this is part 2 of our headlight restoration, and you have millions of cars the same way. We're gotten to the point where now we're going to spray it with a coating that you can get from the auto parts place. Make sure you shake it up well. And here we go.
Oh, wow.
All right. That was easy, wasn't it?
Wow.
Now you can see everything crystal clear in there. And it's all because of the product that I'm showing. You can't get that only by getting in touch with me. Then you can get this product. And then we'll get the other one. We'll show you the difference. This was just about ready to spray too. So you'll see how this just comes off. Well, it's really dry, but it does come off. So I'm gonna hit this one. Let me get it cleaned off and then we'll spray that. You see how it looks. Now we've been over here working all the time, and it's still, that's what comes off. Okay, let's pause it for a second. Okay, this is our last one to do, and we're going to do the same thing with it. Spray it on. Guess that looks pretty good, everybody.
Does to me.
Yeah. Okay. So you can pause it one more time, and I'm gonna go on.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna take the last tape off, and you was asking me a question. What was that question you was asking me?
Oh, about how long you had been doing this.
Okay. Yeah, I've been doing this this is about 3 years now. And before that, I used to do it the traditional way with all the buffers and sanding and usually 400, 5, 6, 1,000, 3,000, then polish it. You know, that got old, and I quit. So I cranked back up for about the last 6 months, and I've been doing it this way. My wife had a PT Cruiser, and that's what prompted her to ask me, say, hey, I can't see out of my headlights. Didn't you used to do it? And I thought about it. I said, I don't want to pick up another sander again. So I remembered that I had some things I was doing before I quit. So I tried them out on her car. And boom, it worked out real good, just like this one. And she acted like it was Christmas because she kept looking out the door at the car. So
That's going to be me.
yeah, so this should last 4 or 5 years. I don't know. I hadn't been there, but the finish that's on there